In this video, I will show you how you can clean the charging port of your AirPods 4. Now, before we start, just make sure you do not use a metallic tool to clean the charging port of your AirPods, as this will damage the charging port of your AirPods. And also, do not use a tool which might leave particles in the charging port, like a toothpick. Now, I recommend to use a soft brush to clean the charging port. Now, after you bring a clean, dry, soft brush, just insert the tip of the brush in the charging port, then flick it to the left side. Now just do that 2 or 3 times, and after that just insert the tip of the brush again in the charging port, but this time just flick it to the right side. Now just repeat this cycle until you remove any dust or debris which might be stuck in the charging port. And after that you can use an air blower to blow out any particles which might be left in the charging port. And by doing this you will clean the charging port of your AirPods. But I highly recommend that you take your AirPods to a service center, and over there a professional person will clean the charging port, because you might accidentally damage the charging port while you're cleaning it. And this is how you can clean the charging port of the AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.